Today, we're going to draw and color a cute panda holding a piece of bamboo. Doesn't it look adorable? Grab your paper and colors, and let's start drawing this panda together. Great job! We're almost finished with the outline of our panda. Let's add a few more details like the bamboo stick and the panda's paws. Almost there, just a little bit more. Now it's coloring time. I'm going to use black for the panda's ears, eyes, and legs, and white for his fluffy body. For the bamboo, I'm using green. Don't forget to color the panda soft pink. What colors are you using? Let's make this panda look amazing together. Look at your finished panda. It looks so cute and happy with the bamboo. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring. Now your artwork is ready to show off. Great work, little artist. Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw and color a happy little monkey sitting in the jungle. Isn't it just the cutest? Grab your paper and colors, and let's start drawing together. Great job so far. We're almost finished with our monkey's outline. Let's add a few more details, like the tail and the leaves around him. We're almost there. Now let's color. I'm using brown for the monkey's body and face. The leaves will be green, and the grass will also be a nice bright green. Don't forget to color the monkey's cheeks a little pink. What colors are you using? Let's bring this monkey to life together. Your adorable monkey. It's all finished and looking so cheerful in the jungle. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring. Now your artwork is ready to show off. Great work, little artist.